Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and in this video I am sharing the standard blocks of Scratch. In the previous video we have seen how to use the sensing blocks and the mathematical operators plus, minus, multiply and divide. In this video we will see how to compare the numbers. The operator block palette includes blocks to compare the numbers. Less than, will check the number is less than or not, equal, greater, and or not. These are used to compare the numbers and it always gives the result in true or false. In this video, in this example, you can see one more thing. We use the operator blocks with the help of looks block. With the help of looks block, and the first block we use the motion block. And using the drag and drop, we drag the operator block comparing numbers block with the looks block, and then after it perform the action. You can see in the example, when we compare the number 25 and 29 equal or not, it is giving the false result because 25 is not equal to 29. Now generating random numbers. Random numbers, in the previous example we have seen that we have to specify the individual number, particular number. But using the generating random number feature, we specify the range and it picks the number automatically from the given range. In the example you can see it is showing the 31. After the 2 seconds when you will wait, it will display you different number between 10 to 50. It will not display 9 or the 51. Changing location randomly. We can use this feature. We also can use blocks to change the location of the sprite on the stage. We can change the coordinate of the sprite position on the stage, and it will display different color of stamp of the sprite. Stamp block you will get using the pen block, and next costume you will get in the looks block. And as we know that operators block work with the looks block, it easily you can drag it and place with the looks block. You can see, and using that we can work with the sprite. It will change the color randomly and their space. We also can count the length of the word. Scratch block provides the facility to count up the letters that are used to form the words. Here we can see ask is the sensing block you have used earlier. Answer block, you know that when we use the ask and the answer block, it provides you a prompt on the screen to accept the input from the keyboard, and after that the sprite display the information. Suppose when you will write the encyclopedia, it will show you 12 letters. When you write your name, then it will show the length of your name. Using this way you can write your number. With the answer block, you have to write your number and it will show the output. Thank you.